Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are part of the legume family. While they have become more popular recently, chickpeas have been grown in Middle Eastern countries for thousands of years. Here are 6 evidence-based health benefits of chickpeas. 1. Rich in plant-based protein. Chickpeas are a good source of plant-based protein, making them an appropriate food choice for those who do not eat animal products. Protein is needed for growth and development, as well as proper healing and repair throughout the body. Protein is also known for its role in weight control, bone health, and maintaining muscle strength. Some studies have suggested that the quality of the protein in chickpeas is better than other types of legumes. That's because chickpeas contain almost all the essential amino acids, except for methionine. 2. Improves digestion. The fiber in chickpeas is mostly soluble, meaning it blends with water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. Soluble fiber may help increase the number of healthy bacteria in your gut and prevent the overgrowth of unhealthy bacteria. This can lead to reduced risk of some digestive conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome and colon cancer. If you want to improve your digestive health, including more chickpeas in your diet is certainly worth a try. 3. Support blood sugar control. Chickpeas have several properties that may help manage your blood sugar levels. First, they have a fairly low glycemic index, GI, which is a marker of how rapidly your blood sugar rises after eating a food. Diets including many low GI foods have been shown to promote blood sugar management. Second, chickpeas are a good source of fiber and protein, which are both known for their role in blood sugar regulation. Several studies have associated chickpea consumption with a reduced risk of several diseases, including diabetes and heart disease. These effects are often attributed to their blood sugar lowering effects. 4. Weight loss. Garbanzo beans, with their high density of nutrients, combined with dietary fiber, are perfect for people trying to lose weight. The fiber helps the body feel full for longer by interacting with ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and inhibiting its release to some degree. The blend of nutrients and minerals also keeps the body energized and active, preventing fatigue and snacking between meals. This makes chickpeas great for reducing overall caloric intake because you simply don't feel hungry, despite the 270 calories per cup of chickpeas. 5. Rich source of antioxidants. The antioxidant compounds found in chickpeas include polyphenols, phytonutrients, beta-carotene, and key vitamins, according to food chemistry. These reduce oxidative stress in the body and prevent chronic diseases. Antioxidants seek out free radicals, the dangerous byproducts of cellular metabolism, which can cause healthy cells to mutate. These antioxidants may also have the potential to protect the body against chronic diseases. 6. Balance hormones. Consuming garbanzo beans can be a safe and natural way to counter menopausal and postmenopausal symptoms like night sweats, mood swings, and hot flashes. Chickpeas contain plant hormones known as phytoestrogens, which mimic the body's natural female hormone estrogen.